Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xoss G Plus to your phone. First, you will need to download the official Xoss application from your phone's App Store. Make sure your Xoss G Plus device has sufficient battery charge before you begin. Also, remember to turn on the Bluetooth function on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, ensuring everything is ready. 1, 6, 7, 12. Once the app is open, either log into your existing account or create a new one. Then, look for the device icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, and tap it. From there, select Add Device and choose your Xoss G Plus from the list of available devices. The app will then begin searching for your unit to establish a connection. 1, 3, 7, 12. After selecting your device, the app will display a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. You will also notice a small Bluetooth icon appearing on your Xoss G Plus screen, confirming it is paired. From this point forward, your ride data will automatically synchronize with the application, allowing you to review your activities and progress effortlessly. It's a seamless process. 1, 6, 12, 13. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and the Xoss G Plus device often resolves the issue. Always check for the latest updates for the Xoss application to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Additionally, keep your phone relatively close, within about 1 meter, to your Xoss G Plus during the initial pairing process for the best results. This helps maintain a strong signal. 2, 3, 12, 16, 17.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.